So hello everyone, I am Dr. Arvind and present here to give some basic idea about this interesting and very popular topic, that is artificial intelligence. So there are various technical definitions available to describe artificial intelligence, but all of them are very complex and confusing, and today I will elaborate on the definition in simple words for your better understanding. So it is becoming essential for today's time because it can solve many complex problems within very efficient way, and the artificial intelligence is applicable in all the fields inclusive your medicine field, automobiles, daily lifestyle applications, electronics, communications as well as computer networking systems. And nowadays whatever the new popular applications are there, all are using the concept of artificial intelligence. For example, Facebook, Amazon, Google Assistant, Netflix, Twitter, in all the fields we are using artificial intelligence. So before going to our main topic, let us discuss some preliminary ideas, that is data, information, knowledge, intelligence, like that. So all are interrelated to each other. So before that you must have some idea about intelligence, and before that you must have some idea about knowledge. Before that you must have some idea about information and data. So first come to the topic data. What is data? So data can be defined as unstructured facts and figures. For example, suppose 85 and 49%. So these are what? Unstructured facts or meaningless informations, you can tell. Meaningless information. 49% of what? No other informations. Okay. So these are unstructured facts. And next come to your informations. So processed data, after processing the data will be treated as informations. For example, suppose if I am writing age equal to 85 and GDP equal to 45%. So now 45% indicates what? GDP. So meaningful data known as your information. Next come to your knowledge. What is knowledge? So knowledge can be defined as collection of information, facts and skills that is acquired through experiences, or in another way also you can define knowledge can refer to a theoretical or practical understanding of a subject. For example, remembering details about an event or learn through education or work experience, that is what? Knowledge. Next come to what? Intelligence. So what is intelligence? Simple. Processed knowledge is known as your intelligence. Very simple. Or in another way also you can define intelligence is the ability to retain knowledge, use reasoning to solve the problems, that is called the intelligence. Now come to our main topic, that is artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence are having two parts, that is artificial. Artificial means what? Man-made. And intelligence is thinking power. Thinking power. So in a single line you can define AI as a man-made thinking power. Or in another way also you can define artificial intelligence, that is intelligence demonstrated by machines. In this way also you can define. So many definitions of artificial intelligence are there. The main task of artificial intelligence is enable the machine to think. Okay, it enables the machine to think. So artificial intelligence is a way of making a computer or a computer controlled robot or a software think intelligently in the similar manner the intelligent humans think. So that is the actual definition of artificial intelligence. Now come to the main definition of artificial intelligence, that is artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science by which we can create intelligent machines which can act like act like human being, act like human being, think like human being, think like human being, act rationally, and think rational. Okay, so the main definition of artificial intelligence consists of these 4 points. The first one is act like human being, the techniques of robotics, that is the robotics techniques. Think like human being, the research is going on this concept. And act rationally means what? When we see the object thinking, logic, scientific methods, arguments, questions, etc. So think rationally means that is based on true beliefs or logic. So the different generations of computer, as all of you know, there are 5 generations of computers are there. That is the first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation and fifth generations. So in the generations of computer, in the first generation computer, that is from 1946 to 1959, 1946 to 1959, and vacuum tubes, that is what? The computers of the first generation used vacuum tubes as the basic components for memory and circuitry for CPU. And come to the second generation. In second generation, started from 1959 up to 1965, and in second generation computer used transistors in place of vacuum tubes. So transistors. Okay. Next come to your third generation. In third generation, started 1965 to 1971, and the computers of third generation used integrated circuits in place of transistors. So here they were used the integrated circuits. Now come to the fourth generation. Fourth generation started 1971 and continued up to 1980, and computers of fourth generation used very large scale integrated circuits, VLSI, that is called the microprocessor. So what is VLSI circuits? So VLSI circuits having about 5000 transistors and other circuit elements with their associated circuits on a single chip. So that is the concept of fourth generation, that is microprocessor. Microprocessors were used that generations. Next come to your fifth generation. Fifth generation, that is started 1980 to present and beyond. 1980 to present and beyond. And in fifth generation, VLSI technology became ULSI, that is ultra large scale integration technology, resulting in the production of microprocessor chips having 10 million electronic components. In fourth generation computer, 5000 transistors, and here 10 million of electronic components. So imagine, and here the technology of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence concept started or initiated from 1980 and to the present, and the research is going on this topic, and it will be continued until it satisfies all these 4 properties. That is, to build a system or design a system that can act like human being, think like human being, act rationally and think rationally. So that is artificial intelligence having a wide field. Okay. So now let us discuss what are the different subfields of artificial intelligence. Subfields. Subfields, that is your machine learning, NLP, that is natural language processing, neural network, speech processing, planning, vision, that is computer vision, robotics, so many, robotics, expert systems, etc. So many subfields are there. So whatever nowadays where that is not actually artificial intelligence, that is what machine learning. So artificial intelligence is having very wide field. So under the artificial intelligence, these subfields are there: machine learning, deep learning, NLP, natural language processing, neural network, speech processing, planning, vision, robotics. So now come to the point. What is the need of artificial intelligence or importance? What are the need and importance of artificial intelligence? So before coming to this topic, first you tell what is the role of personal assistants. Actually the role of personal assistants can be varied, such as your answering phone calls, taking notes, scheduling meetings, emailing, text, etc. But nowadays the work that we need to do is increasing day to day. So it's a good idea to automate our routine work, and with the help of artificial intelligence you can create your personal virtual assistants. For example, nowadays the popular personal virtual assistants are there, that is Siri and Google assistants, Google assistants. So and Amazon Echo, so many personal virtual assistants are available nowadays. Now come to the applications. So what are the different applications of artificial intelligence? As already I have discussed, so artificial intelligence has various applications in today's society, such as healthcare, entertainment, finance, education, military organization, share market, weather forecasting. In all the fields we are using artificial intelligence. For example, here Alexa, Facebook, Twitter, Netflix, Tesla. So these are some examples of some examples where artificial intelligence concepts is used. So thank you very much for viewing this video lecture, and please put your queries, suggestion and comments to the given mail ID. Thank you to all.